The Landmine Clean and Press is a fun exercise that incorporates rotational movement often missing in many gym workouts. To perform a Landmine Clean and Press, start on the side of the bar with the plate between your feet. Hinge at your hips and knees and grab the bar with the hand closer to the weight. Stand up and pull the bar about shoulder height. Smoothly switch hands and press the bar away from your body while pivoting on the back foot to finish facing the bar. From here, lower the bar back to about shoulder level and switch hands back to lower it down to the starting position. Focus on making the entire movement smooth and controlled, and repeat until your workout is complete.